2. Best ways to make money with NFTs. Do you want to learn how to make money with NFTs? With our detailed guide, you'll be earning money from NFTs in no time. After blowing away the internet in 2020, NFTs are still a major trend that everyone seems to be gushing over these days. You may have heard or read about how investors and creators have amassed large sums of money that are life-changing through NFTs. Figuring out how to make money with NFTs can be intimidating, especially with all of the big numbers being thrown around. The $69.3 million sale of Beeple's NFT earlier this year shook the internet and changed the way people thought about digital collectibles. Everyone is now rushing to get their feet wet in order to catch this wave. In this video, I'll teach you everything you need to know about NFTs, how to create NFTs, and how to make money with NFTs. The first method is producing your own NFTs. Making your own NFT is a popular approach for those wondering how to make money with NFTs. Minting is the process of putting a digital asset, such as digital art or music, on the blockchain. Once the asset has been added to the blockchain, it can be traded on the best NFT exchanges, allowing you to monetize your creation. Minting NFTs is a relatively simple process, with top marketplaces like NFT Launchpad making it simple for beginners. Because of the enormous growth in the NFT market, competition among creators is fierce, with new collections appearing on a daily basis. As a result, if you want to take this approach, you must ensure that your creation stands out. Assuming you've created your own NFT and minted it to the blockchain, the only thing left is to see if anyone buys it. This is where marketing comes into play, because most collections will not be visible to potential investors unless they are effectively promoted. When your NFT sells, you will receive the proceeds, less the marketplace's fee, which you can withdraw to your cryptocurrency wallet. The second method is earn money on NFT gaming rewards. Earning interest on the rewards you earn in a P2E game is an indirect way to make money with NFTs. These token rewards, like fiat currency, can be deposited into crypto savings accounts to generate an annual yield. Because cryptocurrencies are in such high demand, these yields are frequently far higher than those offered by traditional banks. AQRU is one of the best places to start earning interest on crypto rewards. AQRU is a platform that pays up to 12% interest on cryptocurrency deposits and has no lockup period. Furthermore, new AQRU users can receive a welcome bonus of 10 USDT, which can be withdrawn or invested immediately. BlockFi is another excellent option. BlockFi has over 1 million customers worldwide and provides up to 11% APY on a variety of cryptocurrencies. BlockFi has no hidden fees or minimum balances, and investors can receive interest payments every month. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content about NFTs, metaverse, crypto, blockchain technology, and other money methods to increase your financial situation. See you in the next video.